Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today's code on the menu is P0457, evaporative emission control system leak detected. Don't worry, that sounds scary, but it's often a simple fix. In this video, we'll walk you through diagnosing and potentially solving this problem yourself, saving you a trip to the mechanic. The P0457 code indicates a leak in your vehicle's evaporative emission control system, or evap system. This system captures gas vapors from your fuel tank to prevent them from being released into the atmosphere. A leak can cause a number of issues, including increased emissions and a strong gas smell. Check engine light. The most obvious sign will be the illumination of the check engine light on your dashboard. Fuel odor. You might notice a stronger fuel smell due to the evap system not properly capturing fuel vapors. Difficulty starting. In some cases, a faulty evap system can lead to issues with starting your vehicle. Visual inspection. Start with a visual inspection of the evap system. Check for any obvious signs of damage to the hoses or wiring that could be affecting the pressure sensor's performance. Check the gas cap. A loose or damaged gas cap can cause issues with the evap system's pressure, so ensure it's tightened or replace it if necessary. Use an OBD-II scanner. Connect an OBD-II scanner to your vehicle to confirm the P0457 code and check for any other related codes that could help pinpoint the issue. Smoke test. A smoke test can help identify leaks in the evap system. Introducing smoke into the system and looking for where it escapes can pinpoint holes or cracks in hoses. The gas cap. Believe it or not, a loose or faulty gas cap is the #1 reason for a P0457 code. It's a quick and easy check. Make sure your gas cap clicks shut securely. If it's damaged or doesn't click, replacing it's a cheap fix. Reset the check engine light. After the repairs, use an OBD-II scanner to clear the P0457 code and reset the check engine light. If the repair was successful, the light should stay off. If you're not comfortable with any of these steps, don't hesitate to take your car to a trusted mechanic. They can diagnose the problem and get your evap system back in check. Conclusion. While the P0457 error code can be daunting, understanding the potential causes and steps to diagnose the issue can make it manageable. Always start with the simplest solutions, like checking the gas cap, before moving on to more complex diagnostics. If you're ever unsure, consult with a professional mechanic to avoid causing further damage to your vehicle. Thanks for joining me. Hopefully, this video equipped you to tackle that P0457 code. If you have any questions or fix-it tips to share, leave them down in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more car care know-how. See you next time.